Welcome to the Crypto List. My name is Chris, and this is your place for cryptocurrency news and information. Well, rumor has it, Venezuela has a huge Bitcoin reserve, and the US just might want to get their hands on it. We'll talk about that and more, but first, the Crypto Vitals. Total market cap sits at $3.05 trillion, with Bitcoin making up $1.81 trillion of that value. Bitcoin dominance is 59.3%, Ethereum 12%, and the rest of the altcoin market sharing 28.7%. The Fear and Greed Index is currently reading 32, back on the fear side of the scale. Bitcoin hurt by tariffs. Bitcoin broke below support after tariff headlines rattled global markets. The US and Europe signaled opposing tariff positions, raising the prospect of trade friction. That uncertainty pushed traders into defensive positions, slowing Bitcoin's momentum. Is the US trying to seize Venezuelan Bitcoin? Some reports suggest Venezuela may hold as much as 600,000 Bitcoin. However, this figure has not been verified on-chain. U.S. officials have acknowledged that seizure is a theoretical possibility. However, the U.S. may not have control over the private keys to the reserves, even with Nicolas Maduro in U.S. custody. In addition, seizing those funds could further strain U.S.-Latin America relations and raise international law objections. Iran moves crypto to Dubai. Reports show that $1.5 billion in cryptocurrency was routed from Iran to Dubai. The accounts used for the transaction appear to be linked to Iranian leadership. Some have proposed that the move is part of an escape plan in the face of domestic unrest. Chiliz Pumps 46% over the past 30 days, pushing the token back into the top 100. The Chiliz platform secured MiCA authorization under the European Union, allowing the platform to offer regulated crypto services across all 27 EU member states. This latest move is most likely the reason for Chili's recent success. Coinbase has withdrawn support for the Clarity Act just hours before the scheduled Senate Banking Committee vote. Brian Armstrong cited several issues for pulling Coinbase's support, including a de facto ban on tokenized equities, DeFi prohibitions, erosion of CFTC authority, and a ban on stablecoin rewards. After Coinbase's withdrawal, the banking committee delayed the vote. Stake and Shake's crypto play. Stake and Shake cut nearly half its payment processing fees by accepting Bitcoin over the Lightning Network. The move also managed to boost same-store sales. Stake and Shake is now building a strategic Bitcoin reserve with the proceeds. And that's our show. Don't forget to go to thecryptolist.net for more cryptocurrency minus confusion. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.